Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Sorry my hair is a little wet because I just got out of the shower, but so we're going to be making the best recipe of butter slime in the entire world because this butter slime is the softest.
Did I mention it's also no glue?
Just the best. So we're going to start by taking this Model Magic clay and cutting it open and getting out the clay. Here, as you can see, it is pretty stretchy, but we're going to make it even stretchier and even softer. So if you want to add some food coloring or some color to your slime, now is the time to do that. I want mine a really light blue, so I'm going to add just a tad bit of some blue food coloring and mix that in. Okay, now that I got all my food coloring mixed in, I can add in some foaming hand soap. I'm just using so for this you're just going to use one pump. But if you're making a larger batch, you can use 2 or even 3 if you want to make it super soft. So just mixing it in here. As you can already see, it is super stretchy. It's getting super stretchy. And you can spread it so well. Oh my gosh. And you can just keep adding it. And it doesn't like, for the first 3 pumps, it doesn't make it sticky or at all or anything. It just makes it softer and stretchier. Okay guys, let me flip the camera so I can do some ASMR for you. Well, anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any new videos. And I'll see you next time. Bye!